Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your SoundPeats Air 3. So to do this, you have to just input both earbuds inside this charging case. Now just wait until this indicator blinks for like 2 times. It means that they are charging, and we have to use this power button on the case and hold it for like 10 seconds until this indicator blinks 2 times. Keep holding. Just like that. As you can see right now, we are not connected anymore, and to finish the reset we have to close this charging case. Wait for like a few seconds, then open it and click and hold this button to enter the pairing mode. Right now you can release. You have to remove the previously connection, and now just restart the Bluetooth on your phone, and you can find the SoundPeats Air 3 on the list. And that's the reset process of this device. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.